Hello and welcome to a new video on this channel. In this video I will show you how to install an Apache 2 web server on a Raspberry Pi. Let's start. First we have to install the Apache 2 package. We can do this with the following command. This can take a few seconds. Now we can go to the directory where the web server stores the pages with this command. Now we get the IP address of our Raspberry Pi with this command. If we now enter the IP address of our Raspberry Pi in a browser, we get to the default Apache 2 page. Great, it works! Now we can switch back to our terminal and change the site. First we have to remove the existing page with sudo rm index.html. Now we can create the new page. First type sudo nano index.html. Now you can enter whatever you want to be in the HTML file. To save it, press Ctrl O, and to exit Ctrl X. Now when we refresh the page we see the index.html page we entered. To stop the web server, enter the command sudo service apache 2 stop. To restart or start it, enter the command sudo service apache 2 restart or start respectively. If the video has helped you, I would be very happy if you like the video or subscribe to the channel.